Mob. What it do, broski? It's your main man, young DaveyMcFlyy. Two wise, man, checking in finna drop off some more five broski. So y'all already know I need all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike. Go ahead and hit that like button for your boy right now, bro. I need 1,000 of them, bro. That's my like goal on every video. No matter if I hit it or not, we're gonna try. We're gonna keep trying to get 1,000 likes on every video, bro. So if y'all, I'm telling you, please, bro, if you want to see your boy win out here in these streets, just tap that like button, share the video, that helps a lot, and make sure you subscribe and notified if you haven't subscribed already, bro. Today, we about to lace up the AQUA PHARRELL William NMDs, man. Just released not too long ago. Something that I did find out that I didn't mention in my video, bro. What's dope about these shoes, of course, is 3M, right? The 3M, I didn't get the 3M shot in the video, but also the word that stands for humanity, we figured out this stands for humanity, and that's in 3M also. You can slightly see it on camera, like in real life it's almost the same color. It's the thread. Without the light hitting it, without the flash hitting it, it's looking just like the same color as the thread. But you know what I'm saying, the words going down the toe is 3M as well. I thought that was pretty cool, you know what I'm saying, pretty cool, along with the 3M on the back. Y'all already know that, you know what I'm saying. That's basic, that's quick math, that's basic stuff. But yeah, man, I got on my basketball shorts right now, and I kind of want to see what these look like with some track pants or something. That's how I would probably wear them, with some track pants. So I'm just slide on my track pants over top of my basketball shorts. You know what I mean? How we would do it in real life back in the day. Had basketball shorts, boxers, some more shorts up under those shorts, some shorts for the shorts, and some shorts for your boxer shorts too. I don't know, bro, probably cool wearing them too big jeans. Like, I'm telling you, I used to run around with 30-48s. So you will need extra shorts. So probably, that's a whole nother story for another day. Look, man, anyway. We about to lace these joints up though, bro. Bam, got them both out. And really, as far as how I lace my NMDs, bro, I kind of like to rock them just how they are right out the box. You know what I'm saying? So really, instead of a how I lace my, this is more or less like just an on foot, for real. Like, I try to slide these boys on and keep them how they are, straight out the box. And I did want to see what they look like on foot, and I mean, so far so good, bruh. So far so good. I'm probably tripping with my socks a little bit. I'm definitely tripping with my socks a little bit, but you know what I'm saying, so far so good. And what we'll do for this one, we'll loose lace this one. But before we do that, bro, we got rules. Rule number 1: man, woman, cat, dog, female, frog, dog, pit, truck. I said dog twice, but it's all good. Even lice, I don't give a, bro, it don't matter who bought the shoe. That's who has to say and how they should be laced. Rule number 2 is no wrong or right way to lacing your shoe, bro. It's really not. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever make you feel comfortable. Do whatever make you think gonna look good on you. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever gonna raise your confidence level with that sneaker. Do what works for you. Rule number 3, you don't like me, you don't like what you see, man. Get the fuck on, bitch. Man, get your good pussy ass on from right here, bro. Y'all know I don't rock with that negative energy like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? We've been drama free for a long time and definitely trying to keep it that way. At all times, you did. So yeah, bro. Let's slip this one on. But I kind of want to loose lace this one. Uh-oh, I'm headbutting my microphone. I kind of want to loose lace this one, bro. And y'all know the trick to loose lacing is not letting the laces touch the ground. That's the only thing you gotta do, gang. So let's see what's up with it. That one ain't touching the ground. This one ain't touching the ground. But oh man, how loose can we get it? Loose as a goose. Oh man, that's like crazy. That don't work, bro. That don't work, bro. Hold on. I got an idea. I do have an idea. Cause there's some more holes, right? We got some more holes on the side of the cage. So maybe if we go back one more, we could pull off a good loose lace. Cause as of now, I don't feel that. It look crazy. Like, I love a good loose lace job myself. I'm the loose lace king, but bro, that right there is just a little crazy. A lot of crazy. So hold on. Let's get them joints back down. We got them back down, but we still need some room, bro. All right, let's go back one more. See how that'll work. Oh, that almost, bro, that works. Bang. So go back one more on the cage if you want a loose lace, and that works. So this is a how-to, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? You do this part to your liking, or your taste, or your flavor, however you want that part. But I'm just leave it like this. Goal, mission, achieved for me. You know what I mean? Just if you want a loose lace now. I mean, it's totally on y'all if you think that look good or whatever the case may be, or if you would do it like that, if you would try it like that. I'm just make sure these joints ain't touching the ground. Me personally, I think a DS loop would be the way to go, but I wanna see. We just gotta see. And of course, if the 360 ain't hitting right, we'll, you know what I'm saying, we'll take it to a DS loop and get up out of here if this 360 don't hit. You know what I'm saying? How I think it would. So let's see. Hey, hold on.
I'm the shit, ain't it? Hop about the wheel, know that bitch Jack got painted on your bitch up on the drill. She see my fit in that hoe fainted. Hey, I'm the shit, ain't it? Hey, I'm the shit, ain't it? Hop about the wheel, know that bitch Jack got painted on your bitch all on the drill. She seen the fit in that hoe fainted. Bitch, I'm the shit, ain't it? Hey, you know it's young, Davey. Everybody don't like me, gotta keep that shit off safety. I been rolling dodo, cause these fuck nigga too flaky. And I'm getting bread with the one who love me, bro, it's all gravy. Finally making money in my sleep, that shit hit different. Ain't no linking with the hoe no more, bro, I know they miss it. Boy, I ain't finna play no game with the shit, you know I'm in them bitch spittin'. I ain't gotta tell my dog to shoot shit, them boys already hit it. She heard Davey on the track, start half flat back, cause I swing that wood like Griffey. I'm in the game for sure, yeah. I'm a professional, yeah. Gotta let you know, I gotta let you go. It's gonna hurt me, hope it's worth it. Know my purpose, in my lane that I ain't swerving. If I'm on the trail, you know it's a murder. My backpack got too much sherbet. Sell it with tab, they thought it was working. Lil' shawty come over, I had it be twerking. Gang strap, and all black, we attack if you black with them racks, I spit crack on the track, that's a fact. Made a 3.5, I had on collar back to back, had to change my line, they keep blowing up my jack. They ain't even got my number, and I still can't keep a pack. Set the streets on fire, every summer I'm on deck. Next move is a milli, that's a motherfucking bet. Stick by my side like a
So yeah, gang, I don't know. So yeah, bro, like, alright. Y'all pretty much let me know, bro. How would you come with it? You know what I'm saying? Would you loose lace it, or, you know what I'm saying, DS loop it? Cause right now it look like the loose lace don't really work for this sneaker. Or with this colorway. Maybe in a different colorway it might work, but me personally, I don't feel like the loose lace is working, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a DS loop in this joint. I need my room back, so let's snatch these out. And for those who don't know how to do the DS loop, I got you, bro. I got you. Pay attention. This probably the important part of the video. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like how that look already. So, bam. Whoa, we're a little uneven. Let's see if I can even this out at all. Yup. All right, got it. So boom. Kind of do it at an angle. I don't think I ever did it at this angle. 2 fingers. Wrap your fingers around. You know what I'm saying? You wrap it around, then you got something that looking like this. It's gonna look like an A. You get the 2 fingers, wrap the laces around your fingers and bring it over. You gonna get something that look like an A. You feel me? Pull those back through like so. Remove your fingers at the same time, and there go your DS loop. You keep your thumb on the tips of the laces so you don't lose them. But yeah, once you get your loop in there, whop. And that worked, bruh. I feel like that worked. DS loop worked for these. It's a little bitty one, but you know what I'm saying? That's kind of how you gotta do it. Or either go with a bow tie, but me personally, I like the loose lace. I meant the DS loop better. I think that's cleaner. So I'm gonna hit this one with 1, 2, cause the other one was in a bow tie. Bam. You know what I'm saying? That's a better look there, ain't it? I mean, this part a little crazy, but yeah. That's a better look to me. Y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. This is how I lace my NMDs, all my NMDs for that matter, all my Pharrells. Crazy thing is, I think I got my solar pair loose lace, and how did I do that? Like, that's what I'm saying, bro. With these shoes, it's literally on a pair-to-pair basis, cause I feel like the soles look good loose lace like that. I like how the soles loose lace, but these didn't. Like, I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I gotta throw a little DS loop in there just for it to make sense. But these, I guess there's so many colors, like you can do that with this sneaker and it'll be fine. But you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how you gonna ride your NMDs. You know what I'm saying? If you got a pair, if you over the NMD hype altogether, that's an option too. Let your boy know, man. One take Davey in this joint, out this joint, and yeah, we're gonna bop off on some new tunes, bro. Got a new track on the way. We're gonna be dropping some new shit. Y'all just stay in the loop. Y'all stay posted with me, bro. Appreciate y'all time. But yeah, this song go hard, bro.
Bitch, Jake got panic on your bitch all on the drip. She seen him fitting in her fainting. I'm the shit, ain't it? Hey, you know it's young Davey. Everybody don't like me, gotta keep that shit off safety. I been rolling dodo, cause these fuck nigga too flaky. And I'm getting bread with the one who love me, bro, it's all great. Hey, I'm back in this bitch for sure. We finna get rich for sure. They pop shit, I drop hits, on the grind finna get some more. Just playing the cards I was dealt, boy, this ain't no life I chose. Whoa. So bro, if you know me in the top of the bag, cause I can be stuck living in the past, trying by shit that I never had. I know from experience that life is sad. I was proud of my mama last, you know the baby ain't going outside.